We remembered to get some stamps today. You know what we didn't remember to get? Christmas cards. But we had to get a new microwave because the old one was no good. Got a little bit bigger one, a little bit, the other one was one of those little cheap ones. It's like 700 watt. So this one's 1,000 watt, which means now we have to, I just came up the stairs, so I'm a little winded. Now we have to learn, like, because before I just always added an extra minute onto stuff. So now, I don't know, maybe we can just follow the actual instructions on the TV dinners. Which I know TV dinner's unhealthy, but that's where it's gonna go. Also, I really hate these countertops because you can't tell that they're dirty until you go to wipe them off, and then they're filthy and you're like, oh my God. Houston, we have a problem. Okay. Okay. I'm paranoid. Okay, what do these things do? Sensor menus. I guess I should read the instructions. Can you even see that? Reheat, popcorn, potato, pizza, fish. Who would put fish in? Okay. Meat, fresh veggie, frozen entree. I'm just gonna ignore that because I don't know what that is for. Okay. Cook time. Oh, can we just set a timer? Oh, that's fancy. We can set a time. I always do it on my phone. We can set a timer without using the microwave. Interesting. Okay. Okay, cool. Yes, I know. It's as if I've never owned a microwave before. Here's the old one with a DVD case for reference. Here's the new one.